Welcome to Smart Math. Today I am trying to solve this Math Olympic problem in a very easy way. So let's find out the solution. We got 4 to the power of a plus 4 to the power of a, that is equals to 400. So let's find out the value of a here. So if I'm taking common here, 4 to the power of a, that is common here. We got 1 plus 1 here, that is equals to 400. So 4 to the power of a, that is 1 plus 1 is become 2, that is equals to 400 here. So divided by 2 here and divided by 2 here. This time cancel, 2 ones are 2 and 200 here. So 4 to the power of a, that is equals to 200. If I'm taking log on both sides, log on both sides here, log on both sides here. So I'm using the power log of a to the power of b, that is equals to b log of a here. This means our value is a log of 4, that is equals to log of 200 is become 4 into 50 here. 4 into 50 here, that is equal to log of here. So if I'm trying to both side by divided by log of a, 4 here divided by log of 4 here. So this and this cancel out. So we got the value of a that is equals to log of 4 into 50 divided by log of 4 here. So I'm using the product rule of log of product rule, log of a into b, that is equals to log of a plus log of b here. Log of a plus log of b here. This means a, that is equals to log of a is 4 plus b is log of 50 divided by log of 4 here. So now separately divided log of 4 both to same number here. Log of 4 divided by log of 4 here plus log of 50 divided by log of 4 here. So this and this cancel and this is 1 here. This means a is 1 here plus log of 50 is become 2 into 25 is become 50 here. So this is again, and this is 4 is become 2 square here, 4. So this is again product rule, a into b is log of a plus log of b. So we got the value of 1 plus log of 2 plus log of 25 divided by this is again power rule. So this means 2 log of 2 here. So this means if a that is equals to 1 plus log of 2 plus 25 has become log of 5 square here divided by 2 log of 2 here. So this means a that is equals to 1 by 1 plus log of 2. This is again power rule. So this is 2 firstly and this is 5 here. 5 here and divided by 2 log of 2 here. So we got a that is equals to 1 plus, if I'm separately divide both term, so our equation is log of 2 here divided by 2 log of 2 plus 2 log of 5 divided by 2 log of 2 here. So this is log of 2 and log of 2 cancel and this 2 and this 2 cancel. So we got the value a that is equals to 1 plus 1 by 2 plus log of 5 divided by log of 2 here. Log of 5 divided by 2 log in here. So our equation is, I am using the inverse rule, change of base formula, where if log of a divided by log of b, that is equals to log of b into a here. If a that is equals to 1 plus 1 by 2 plus this is log of base 2 and power 5 here. That is the final answer. So now let's verify to put in main equation. Now wait, if I'm further solve this equation, take the LCM. This is 2 here plus 1, and this is 1 into 2 is 2 plus log of 2 and power 5 here. So a that is equals to 3 by 2 plus log of 2 and base 5 here. Now let's verify to put in main equation. So now put in main equation. I'm trying common here. This is 1 common and 1 plus 1 here, and this is 2 here, that is equal to 400. So now put the value of a in here equation. So this is 4 into a is 3 by 2 plus log of base 2 power 5 into 2, that is equal to 400 here. So if I wrote here the formula of product of power rule, a to the power of m plus n, that is equal to a to the power of m into a to the power of n here. This means our equation is become 4 to the power of 3 by 2 into 4 to the power of log of 2 and 5 here. Log of 2 and 5 here into 2, that is equals to 400 here. So if I'm trying to, 4 is become 2 square, 3 by 2 here into this is 4 is become 2 square log of 2 base 5 into 2, that is equals to 400 here. So if I'm not power of power rule, which is a to the power of m whole power n, this means power is multiply here. So now our equation will become 2 into 3 by 2, and this is 2, and this is multiply 2 log of 2 and power 5 here. 2 and 2 cancel into 2, that is equals to 400 here. So 2 to the power of 3 into this is power rule, this means they got over power here. So this is 2 log of 2 base 5 whole power 2 into 2, that is equals to 400 here. So I'm trying to solve, this is our, if I am using the inverse power property, if a log of a and power b, this means this they cancel out and this is equals to b here. This means this is cancelled out, we got 5 square here. 4 to the power of 3 into 5 into 2, that is equals to 400. 2 into 2 into 2 is become 8, and 2 into 2 is become 5 into 5 is become 25 into 2 400. So 25 into 8 has become 200 into 2, that is 400, and this conclude that 400 is equals to 400. So I conclude that the result, if our desired solution is satisfactory in our main equation. So thanks for watching. Keep like, share and subscribe.